Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Morgan Wilson with We Are the Wilsons Closet, where we typically produce content about reselling on Poshmark. But today I'm going to be making a video about how to bleach dye or acid wash t-shirts and articles of clothing. You can see the one I've got on here is a Carhartt shirt that I did just a few days ago. And I posted a picture of one on my Instagram, and I also listed a shirt just like this one on Poshmark, and it sold within the first 30 minutes for over $20, which is pretty incredible for a used shirt that I used some bleach on. So I am going to be teaching you guys how to make some of these of your very own. I'm going to show you guys the process and let you guys know everything that you need to do this. And what I like about these is every single one of them is different. Every different color shirt that you do comes out a different way. You guys can see the one I've got behind me is one of my favorite ones that I've done. It was a blue Gildan tank top, and the blue color actually turned into like a really nice minty color when it got bleached out, and it actually turned out really gorgeous. And then I decided, I'm sure there's lots of other guys who might want to know how to do this. You're gonna need a shirt. I just went through my closet and pulled out some plain shirts that I thought needed a little bit of new life to them and decided to use those. Darker colored shirts work the best. I've learned that, you know, grays and things like that, unless they're really, really dark, aren't really going to bleach out very well. So you definitely want a navy blue or a black or something this color, or even like a warm tone color, but definitely something that's already pretty dark. You're also going to need some gloves to keep your hands safe from the bleach. And you're going to need a little squeezable bottle, and you're going to fill that up halfway with water and halfway with bleach. And once you've got your gloves on, you can use that hand to give it a good shake, as you guys will see me do in the video. You're also going to need some trash bags to actually set the item in when you're bleaching it, to keep it from getting on the ground or bleaching out anything underneath. We are going to go ahead and go outside, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how this is going to work. Alright guys, so I have got a glove hand and a free hand. So, you know, grab the middle and twist it up, or grab it in two different spots and twist it up, and just put rubber bands around it to put it in little pie sections. You can see the little swirl in the middle. And I've got a lot of stuff here to do, lots of different materials, lots of different colors. I also have a zip-up jacket that I'm doing, so we'll see how that goes. It's like a pretty blue color. We're going to start with this one because I'm really excited to see how it turns out. It is a reddish orange colored Old Navy tank top, and it has a cute crisscross neck. I'll put a picture of what it looks like before up here. Real cute. Alright, so I'm putting the bottle in my glove free hand, that way I can flip the shirt over and touch the shirt with my glove hand. I've got my shirt here. I've got it right in the middle of my bags. Sorry, it is a little bit windy if you guys can hear some wind. I'm going to do it in the two sections across from each other. Either way is fine. And just throw some bleach on those two sections. And then whatever bleach is down in the bag, when I flip it over, I try to just kind of soak that up with the shirt. And then I'm going to bleach the same exact two spots that we did on the other side. Have seen how to do the actual bleaching process, very carefully make sure that you bag your stuff up and carry it over into your bathroom. You're going to want to put it in the tub, and I take each item out one by one. after the water's running, I just turn it on kind of warm water, whatever's comfortable temperature for my hands. And then I unwrap the rubber bands from the item, and then I rub them and rub it between my hands, try to get all the bleach out, run it under the water, and then squeeze it out. And for darker colored shirts, you'll actually see a lot of this ink that came out. You'll see it run out in the water and down the drain. So just do that as much as you can until the water runs almost clear, and then set it to the side and move on to the next item. I usually kind of set the ones I'm done with towards the back of the tub to keep them out of the way of the running water as I do the rest of them. And make sure that you guys don't leave them sitting too long. You definitely want to get that bleach rinsed out right about the time you finish doing all your items. You want to go ahead and rinse those out, because leaving bleach on an article of clothing too long can eat through the fabric, and that's definitely not what you want. And the effects that you guys see on this shirt and that shirt were made with just in a few minutes of bleach. Now that we have rinsed out these shirts, we are going to go ahead and transfer them all over to the washing machine. I keep my washing machine settings on cold, just a regular wash, nothing fancy, and I do put detergent in with them. And just remember, guys, if you do feel like you have learned something so far, please make sure that you go down below and please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, or if you're interested in reselling on Poshmark. Also leave some comments if you have any question about the process, or if there's any specific videos you guys want me to do. So now that we have washed our shirts, we're gonna put those in the dryer. I am gonna put some dryer sheets in there with them, just dry until they're completely dry. All right, guys, and now that they are completely dry, I have them hung up here, and we are gonna check out exactly what we made today so you guys can see the outcome of the different, colors that we used. All right, so I'm gonna move this one over. It actually turned out gorgeous. It works out perfect with the mermaid theme. And this is available in my Poshmark closet as well. And I will let you know throughout us checking out these other items, which items are going to be available in there as well. My name on Poshmark is We Are the Wilsons. And then I'm going to have a lot of items of these available right after this video. And then along the way, I'll probably make more and post some more stuff. But here's this one. This is a size large as well. So the first one that we did, the one that I was very excited about, was this Old Navy tank top that was a reddish orange color. You can see it did such a fun job. There's the crisscross I was telling you guys about. Turned out so good. It's kind of got the tie-dye kind of feel in the middle. That's what the back looks like. It really took a really plain item and made it really fun for summer. And you can kind of see a depth of color in those bleach spots. It's not just white. It's not just a solid color. There's really, some different colors in there. And this is also a size large. This is going to be available in my Poshmark closet as well. And it's kind of a longer top, which is perfect. And then to my jacket. This is how that jacket turned out, guys. I think it did really good. It's a very interesting kind of a way that it did it. Does look kind of similar to a tie-dye, but basically it just kind of washed the color out to a more white version of the same color. I think it looks really cool. And also, the ties at the bottom were a different material, so it actually turned those ties kind of like a pinkish color, which is fun. But this jacket ties, and it's kind of like cropped, super cute. Again, this is Old Navy in an extra large in case anybody wants one. But for now, this is my jacket. Maybe at some point it'll be in my Poshmark closet. It's one of my husband's shirts that we did. It's a stupid cold slammed enough shirt. Kind of similar to the one that I have on. But you can see the difference in the way a black shirt bleaches out and the way my navy blue shirt bleaches out. It turned out super cool. Looks a lot like tie-dye. Kind of came out to like a coppery yellow color, which the graphics on this shirt were already kind of messed up, but you can see the bleach through it. And the great thing about doing this is that it never bleaches out. What you have printed on the front of your shirt, it's going to go straight through to the fabric, and it made this one look super cool. And it was kind of getting to be an old and worn out shirt, and now it looks like it was meant to be this way, which is great. And again, this is something that we're going to keep for now because this is my husband's shirt. We've got the other orange Old Navy top, the one that has the little lace-up neck and has like the little strings to tie it up. It didn't bleach out the same way the other orange one did. I think maybe because this is a different like material. So it bleached out in a very cool way, but it's not nearly as in your face as the other one is. It's a little bit more of a lighter bleach, but I still think it definitely added a lot to this top and made it something that it definitely wasn't before. This is a size large, relaxed style Old Navy top, and this one is going to be available in my Poshmark closet. There that is for you guys so y'all can see it again. Definitely cute for summer and spring. It has a little cut in the side right here. And it's really breathable too. I think you guys can see that. We've got another one of my husband's shirts. This was his Nike shirt, which again was getting to be a little bit old. It's got some kind of cracked front material on it, but it turned out super great. It really turned out like a good tie-dye should. And you can even see the way this navy blue and this navy blue turned out different. I guess maybe because of the undertones. But this one's kind of like a nudish taupe color with a little bit of blue still in the middle. But it turned out super great. Again, a great way to spruce up an old shirt, make it new. And this is one of my husband's shirts, so we are going to keep this one for now, but eventually it might be available in my Poshmark closet. We'll just have to see how it goes. I saved my favorite shirt for last. This is the tank top that we did, guys, that I was so excited about. And this is another Old Navy tank top, but it's more of like a blouse. It has a keyhole cut out in the back right here, and then a cute little V-neck in the front. It started off as this deep, like purplish blue color, in a nice flowy material, kind of a little high-low style. I don't know why, guys, but it bleached out in a beautiful, like pink and different color blue, and it's just amazing. I love that they're all different. None of these are going to be the same. Nobody that you know is going to have this exact same top as you. I mean, nobody else has this top, guys. So that was everything that we had for today. That's all the shirts that we did. So you guys got to see from start to finish exactly how easy it was and what they do look like at the end. And again, if you do want to purchase any of these tops or any tops that I make in the future, definitely go onto my Poshmark closet, which is We Are the Wilsons. If you're new to Poshmark and you need to sign up to make this purchase, or if you just want to sign up and kind of see what it's about, definitely use my code We Are the Wilsons when you go to log on as your invitation code, and you will get $10 towards your first purchase, and so will I. And you can get $10 off one of these tops, which is amazing, or anything else you want to purchase. And if you guys do need any help or advice about Poshmark, definitely subscribe to my channel below, like this video, ask me any questions you may have, and I will have more Poshmark content to come every week, as well as what sold videos, and I would love to help you guys out. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video and that it was informative. Definitely share it with your friends. It's definitely a fun thing to do right now during the summer while everybody's cooped up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.